coming into the week now. So here we can see we have Monday here. This is Monday. This is Tuesday, and this is now Wednesday, the Wednesday candle. So how can you anticipate this to happen? Like, how can you anticipate to trade this nice expansion candle lower? In fact, it is a daily candle. So first of all, we have a divergence. For those of you that don't know about divergences, in my mentorship, I teach all about the divergences in detail, so you will be up to date when you join my mentorship. All right. So we have a divergence on the daily. Let me show to you. Here we can see on S&P 500. This is Thursday's high. This is Monday's high. We're not gonna count in Friday because Friday was a holiday in America. So this is Thursday's high. This is Monday's high. It sweeps it out. When you go to Nasdaq, this is Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq doesn't take out that high. Nasdaq fails to take out that high, so that's a divergence, right? If you was interested in any type of sell, then Nasdaq was the guy for you. But coming into the day, Nasdaq had a drawn liquidity that's over here, and it took it out before New York session started. So I wasn't interested in Nasdaq because it already took out liquidity, and I don't want to trade a market that doesn't have any liquidity left. And also S&P 500 also took out its liquidity prior to New York session coming in. So I want to trade something that has liquidity, and for me, this equal lows here looks a little bit too juicy to ignore. So here's a low and here's a low. Let me zoom it in so you can see. So this equal lows over here, it's too juicy for me to ignore. So that's gonna be my target for the day, right? And I have a divergence. We have a reversal candle on the daily where Tuesday's candle closes within Monday's candle's range. So that's classified as a reversal candle, and we close below Monday's candle over there. So that's classified as an order block as well. So I have all these beautiful confluences on a daily time frame where I already have a reversal in place. So now all I want to see is a expansion lower, right? So I'm expecting expansion lower. So let's drop down to our lower time frame, our 4-hour time frame, and here we can see. Hopefully all the stuff is in the frame. And here we can see we have that divergence over there, and we have our reversal that's there. But also this market has expanded so much, right? This market has expanded so much. So we want to be cautious coming into this day because we've expanded so much. Let me put on this. And here we can see the sessions. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but this is the opening candle for today's price action. This is the daily open here, and then this is the Asia, and then this is London expanding. So I know if Asia is going to be the reversal, London is going to be that expansion, and we can expect some type of retracement in New York. We get that early retracement in the 6 a.m. candle over here. So I was expecting another form of expansion to the low. So there we have the low now. I was expecting another form of expansion to the low, but I technically need a SMT. We didn't get it here. We didn't get it here. But if I go drop to the lower time frame, then I can see I get my SMT that I wanted. 30-minute was the time frame. I get my SMT that I wanted from Nasdaq and from ES. So here I have the 8:30 Wednesday, 8:30 Wednesday candle. That's here, and it sweeps out this high. This candle sweeps out. And if I go to US30, we have the 8:30 Wednesday candle, and it fails to sweep it out. So that is where I decide, okay, I need to pay a little bit more attention to this market. That is US30, because we're gonna have some type of move here. And then I just dropped down to the lower time frame and I waited for a V-shaped recovery. That's my entry signature. And yeah, I got it here. In fact, you get it over here where you can see expand in and expand out. Quick moves, people, quick moves. And I took this one over here. That's order block over here. I took that one, as you know. Uh, for those of you that were with me in the trade, that's the trade I took. Beautiful. And we just hit our take profit here. So that's how we take the trades here, mensen, with fucking precision. I was scouting this trade out from the weekly time frame. So if you're interested in learning how to do the same thing that I just explained here, um, I'm gonna put the website somewhere on the screen. Go check out the prices. Go check it if it's something that you would want to do. And yeah, follow me on TikTok. Send me a message on WhatsApp. And yeah, we can discuss it more on how to get you profitable just like I am. So people, that's gonna be it from me. And have a good evening. Cheers.